Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make beet juice. How I make beet juice. Beetroot is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin K, and B vitamins. It's very good for the body and it nourishes our skin. Let's go right into the video. Here I have 1 cucumber, 2 beets, and 1 lemon. I'll just go ahead and cut the cucumber into chunks. I'll peel the skin. In this recipe, we don't need the skin. I'm going to peel off the skin. And lest I forget, I have mint leaves. I need mint leaves for this recipe also. So I'll go ahead and peel the skin of the cucumber. Then I'll cut the beets. I'll cut the beetroot off. Cut off the roots, then peel the beets also. After peeling them, I will just go ahead and cut them into tiny bits so that it will be very easy for us to blend. Everything I'm using here is clean. The beets, everything, my surface, everything is washed and cleaned. So I'll go ahead and cut the lemon into 2. For this recipe, we need just half lemon. So now I'm done cutting. I'll just transfer everything into the blender. Put everything into the blender. I'll add in the beets, then my mint leaves. Add half a liter of water into the blender. Then we need the lemon juice. Just go ahead and squeeze in the juice. I will just squeeze the juice into the blender and blend everything together. Let's blend. Blend, 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 blend. Until we get the consistency we need. The consistency we need for this juice is a smooth consistency. We need it to grind very well, to be very smooth, so that it will be easy for sieving. Because we are going to sieve it and just extract the juice only. We are sieving to get just the juice. But you can also use this as smoothie. If you want it to be smoothie the way it is now, you will not sieve. You will go ahead and enjoy it as smoothie. But today, we are making beet juice. So we'll go ahead and extract, then sieve, 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 sieve. That's our own way of extraction today. We just sieve it. Sieve, sieve until we get all the juice out of it. Then this pulp, you can use it, the pulp, you can use it to make anything of your choice. You can still put it in the freezer and use it for your smoothie also. You can add it to another smoothie. Here we'll have our clean juice. We'll pass it through this sieve again, once again, to get a very smooth liquid. As we sieve it, we want everything very smooth, no grains, no particles at all. This beet juice tastes super nice and makes the skin glow, to make you glow and healthy. I hope you like it. Our beet juice is ready. Let me pour some for myself. Try this recipe. Let me know the outcome in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.